Hello, everybody, and welcome to NEMA in Under 5 Minutes. Today's topic is for NEMA representative training. What happens at the NFPA technical meeting, and how do we ensure that our NEMA reps are doing the right thing? Just as a note, the reference documents in this presentation are available on the NEMA CNS groups page. And if you have any questions about how to access that or how to get the reference documents, please feel free to reach out to NEMA CNS support staff. And that would include myself, Megan Hayes, the Senior Technical Director, or Marilyn Williams, the Senior Administrative Assistant. You can see our contact information here on your screen. So before I really get started, I just wanted to make a very fine point, which is that this training today does not apply in any way to NFPA Technical Committee, Code Making Panel, or Task Groups meetings. Those are a completely different part of the NFPA process, and they have different rules for NEMA reps. So, as we prepare for the NFPA technical meeting, we know that what we're going to hear is a lot about certified amending motions. And the way that NEMA takes a position on a CAM on the floor of the technical meeting starts with NEMA sections. They can propose that codes and standards approve a position that may come along with a comment or a statement on any CAM. And CNS considers these proposals at the appropriate meeting. For the National Electrical Code, this meeting is often held in conjunction with the NFPA Conference and Expo right before the NFPA technical meeting. It is incredibly important that everybody understand that NEMA positions, comments, and statements on CAMs have to be approved by codes and standards. And once they are approved, the committee itself designates a representative that will provide these positions on the floor. And only that representative should speak for NEMA. So if you need more information about NEMA positions on CAMs and how they're developed or presented to the NFPA technical meeting, you can reference the NEMA NEC revision best practices. So what happens if a NEMA member does not agree with the NEMA technical position? Can they speak against it on the floor at the NFPA technical meeting? The answer is yes. But for NEMA reps, in order to speak against the NEMA technical position, it's very important that you clearly state that you're speaking on behalf of your company or another organization and not on behalf of NEMA. And for the rest of NEMA members, this is just good practice. If you're speaking against a NEMA technical position, it's really important that you tell everybody who you're speaking on behalf of. And you should consider that you should indicate that you're not speaking on behalf of NEMA. And you can find more information about this in the NEMA instructions for technical representatives. And then finally, what do NEMA representatives do about voting on floor motions? Can they vote against the NEMA technical position? The answer is yes, and it goes for all NEMA members, regardless of whether they represent NEMA on a code-making panel or technical committee. But NEMA really does encourage everybody to make an effort to vote in alignment with the NEMA position. And more information about this particular issue can also be found in the NEMA instructions for technical representatives. So thank you so much for joining us for NEMA in 5 minutes or less. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out to myself or Marilyn Williams. Thanks and have a great day.